Hey everybody, hope everybody's doing great. And I am up way before dawn because I have to have a very busy day. You know, the coffee's starting to brew. I'm gonna need the coffee because it's not even 4:30 yet in the morning. I have a very, very long day. So why don't you just come join me and see what it's like. We gotta do a shoot, and then we gotta do some driving, and we got another shoot. Of course, I don't know the location of the second shoot yet. I just did a really brilliant move. I was getting out of the living room, coming in here to get my shoes on and boots on and to go, and I'm walking out without the drone, and I'm like, oh, I should probably grab the drone now. I literally was not thinking, and I was ready to walk out the door without the drone. Some days I wonder. Got to charge up the batteries. By the way, that little device, that's a really cool little device. I'm charging all 3 batteries and my remote all at the same time. You can see a link below to that little gadget. It's only about 50 bucks. It's awesome. So anyway, got to plug in the tablet because that was about 20% left battery. And then we are going to head out and go drive. Yay! Here we go again. Uber time! Oh, am I recording this time? Oh, this time I'm recording. Great. So, Uber was, well, it was Uber. It was fine. And now that Brian finally sent me off an address, yay! Finally I can go to Villa Park. And guess what? I have help today. Neil is gonna be my helper.
Hi, I'm the help.
So we're gonna head off to, I keep wanting to say Villanova, but no, it's not Villanova, it's Villa Park. It has been a long day. Finally back at home. It has been a long, good day. I've done all my stuff I was supposed to do today. Got to hang out with Brian and Neil both, and they got to meet each other and hang out, and just finally a good productive day. I took advantage of this weather as much as possible. Yeah, what an awesome thing. Oh, I am exhausted. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and click that subscribe button. And of course, if you want to share this with someone, go right ahead. And I'd like to thank you so much for watching the video. I really do appreciate it. Share it, like it, subscribe, all that good stuff. Leave a comment below. Give me ideas of other videos. And right now, I think I'm going to go upstairs and get ready and go to bed because I'm exhausted. I've been up since 4 a.m. I think it was. So it's been a long one. So anyway, have a great day, fly safe, and bye!